Hello everyone, welcome to MBBS HUB. Today we talk about the microbiology and introduction to the microbiology. Let's go to the topic one, general microbiology. Okay, in general microbiology there are 8 topics. In that, introduction and history, microscopy, general bacteriology, general virology, general parasitology, general mycology. It's a mycology. Mycology means it's about the fungal and then normal human microbiota and epidemiology of infectious diseases. In today's video, we are going to explain the introduction of the microbiology. Introduction to microbiology. Okay, let's move. In microbiology, what is means microbiology? It's a microorganisms. Microorganisms. And biology means it's a study of microbiology means it's a study about microorganisms. Study of microorganisms. Okay, then we will go to the medical microbiology. In medical microbiology, what means medical microbiology? It is a branch. It's a branch deals with study of microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, parasites, fungi, etc. Okay, these are the agents, study of these agents which causing diseases in humans. Causing diseases in humans. Okay, then it is also concerned with prevention, treatment and diagnosis. Okay, it is medical microbiology means what? Branch which deals with the study of microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, parasites and or fungi which causing diseases in humans, and it is also concerned with the prevention, treatment and diagnosis of that particular disease. Okay, in that there is various branches in the medical microbiology. In the first one, general microbiology. General microbiology means what? It is a study of general properties of microorganisms. General properties of microorganisms. Okay, right. microorganisms. Okay, in that there is a taxonomy, pathogenesis, of that particular organisms, and morphology, and the laboratory diagnosis. Okay, in this, and there is a treatment for that killing of that back, for killing the disease. Okay, and then general microbiology after immunology. Immunology means what? It's a study of immune system. It's a study of immune system. Immunology and immunity, immunological mechanisms of infectious diseases, and immunological methods for diagnosis of infectious diseases. We will see about immunological mechanisms. Immunological mechanisms of infectious diseases. And various immunological methods for diagnosis of that particular infectious diseases. Okay, and then third one, hospital infection control. Hospital infection control. Okay, in hospital infection control, it is a study of various control methods. Various control measures to prevent transmission of healthcare associated diseases or infections. Healthcare associated infections. Okay, in medical microbiology, we will see about the general microbiology, immunology, and hospital infection control. Okay, and then fourth one, systemic microbiology. In systemic microbiology, it okay, in simple terms, in systemic microbiology, Microorganisms will affect microorganisms affect various organs in our body. Okay, organs in our body like cardiovascular system, and then gastrointestinal, GIT problems, and hepatobiliary system. Hepatobiliary system, and then skin related diseases, soft tissue affected, infections or inflammations occurring, and CNS, central nervous system infections, and respiratory tract infections, and urinary tract, genital tract, and uh, infections of eyes, infections of eyes, ear, and other organs in our body. Okay, then we move on to the next topic. Okay, we will see what about once again, systemic microbiology. It is a microorganism affecting various organs in our body like cardiovascular system, gastrointestinal, and then hepatobiliary system, skin and soft tissues, and then central nervous system, respiratory tract infections, urinary tract infections, genital tract infections, and infections in the eyes, ear, and other organs in our body. Okay, next move on to the another topic is classification of microorganism. Okay, generally microorganisms are two types. One. Okay, in general microorganisms are two types. Okay, one is prokaryotes and another one is eukaryotes. In prokaryotes, bacteria will be there, and in eukaryotes, fungi and parasites. We will see about the classification in the eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Okay, prokaryotes. First we will see about in this which are microorganisms are included in prokaryotes: bacteria, and in eukaryotes, fungi and parasites. Okay, and in the nucleus is in this nucleus is diffuse in eukaryotes, well defined. Nucleus. Okay, and then DNA, extra chromosomal DNA. It is found in prokaryotes, found in plasma. In eukaryotes, found in mitochondria. Okay, and next one, it is 70s ribosome. It is 80s ribosome, and then its respiration is mesosome in prokaryotes, and in eukaryotes it is mitochondria. Okay, type of respiration. And then cell membrane. In cell membrane it is a no sterol. Okay, and it contains, eukaryotes contains sterols. Okay, this is the today's topic, and in the next class we will discuss about the history. In this they can ask the MCQs and other things. Okay, we will discuss about the history in the next class. Until then, goodbye.